Largo do Pagode do Bazar. Congo庙前地 Hong Kong Temple Night Bazaars Taoist prayers Merchants then and now Slices of Macau marketplaces, come get a taste of old and new Macau. Take a walk on through old Macau, see what there is to see. Do what there is to do. Walk where there is to walk. Hong Kong Temple Night Bazaars Taoist prayers Merchants then and
We're gonna film the Pagode Bazar Square, but add some music and some live music over that way. And then this temple right here looks like it's temporarily closed, so they're doing some restoration. So usually this would be the base of it, but we do have some new stuff since the last time I was here. There's a festival for one, and then we also have this hotel, and we're gonna be kind of exploring in this park a little bit, see what it looks like today, and then walking down this street. So that's basically our plan today. So let me put this area up on the map for you. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, let me see. Let's kind of go around. As an aside, this is a storm surge. We had a typhoon not too long ago, and it was 1.5 to 2 meters, which is about there, 2.5. So some of the water up here was just like not even like a week ago, about 10 days ago. This whole area was submerged by water, but they recovered quite quickly. This street that we're on right here is called October 5th Street, so you can see the sign, and then Intelligence is up that way. But our focus is going to be this one. Looks like we have maybe music almost every night. This is today, October 2nd, but we have stuff through the 8th. So almost every night there's going to be something. So we are going to walk into that. We'll also just kind of show you what the... So this whole square still says Largo do Pagode do Bazar. We're going to try to get in there as we can a little bit as well. Okay, got some musicians there. This is a better of our sign right here. So that's where we're located. The lights aren't on yet. And then if we go directly down that way, that's Pond 16. That's a hotel right on the ocean. Okay, so we're gonna try to meander into here a little bit. I think we can walk through it. Got some musicians getting set up. So we're still in our square, and then this is a hotel that's wasn't here maybe even 3 or 4 years ago. It's relatively new. It's called Family Pension House, and they have these all over Macau. And they're kind of more lower budgets as well. It's kind of... Okay, so this is kind of the festival, at least on tonight, on a Thursday. Kind of cool musical instrument. Yeah, so actually kind of get a feel for what it looks like today. Other days it won't have all this stuff because this that's straight ahead is only on the weekends. It's like a weekend market. But I think it's going to be all 8 days, so they're going to have all these little tents up. We'll try to capture some of it as well. Stuff for kids, food. This is also called October 5th Street. So I was actually filming it during the typhoon. So if I remember, I'll try to connect that footage because it was on October 5th Street. But I'm going to label this after the park. If for some reason you're trying to find that footage of what it looked like after the typhoon a week ago, just search for October 5th or make a comment down below, and I'll make sure that I have it on the thumbnail. Usually at the end of my videos I always have the thumbnail at the end to connect to the last 2 times I was on the same street. This is kind of cool. And when they spell October the 5th Street, Cinco de Octubre. Outubro. Anyways, oops. This is kind of cool. Some of this restaurant design. This is on Madeira Street. Madeira Street has this kind of historic hotel right here called East Asia Hotel. And this would have been right next to the waterfront, but then they built the Pont 16 over there that kind of blocks it, so you don't quite get the same feeling anymore that you would have once had. And I think October the 5th basically was the waterfront, and they reclaimed all the land, and then they built those other blocks down that way, and then when they relocated the harborfront, they put the Hotel 16 on top of that, so it kind of blocked this from its previous beauty, but it still has all the feelings of like having been kind of the spot. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay. So what I'm doing lately is just letting everybody know, like if you came to the channel and you're still watching, just maybe make a comment down below, like where you're from. If you're from Macau, what part of Macau, or even what street you live on, or I don't know, maybe you don't want that much detail, but you can say type of Macau, meaning Macau Peninsula. But if you're from another country, just let me know. Maybe Philippines, maybe USA, Canada, wherever you happen to be from. Okay. So we are going to be coming to an end. This is called San Malo, by the way. And there's Pont 16. San Malo is significant because this whole street is kind of like all these arcades that go all the way down. It's kind of a main looking street. Okay. So we're going to be coming to an end for this particular one. Beautiful, beautiful streets on San Malo. Okay, so anyways, ours was off of October 5th Street, and we were filming the Pagode de Temple de Bazar. Bazar means like marketplace.